Today we talk about how can you create lists on your Amazon shipping app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go down here, click on this sign down here. So when you just click on it here, when you click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You just scrolling down here until you found a list and register. So just click here on create a list. So when you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. You click on this sign. So when you just click on it here, it's going to show for you a list like this here. And here can you add shipping list here, or name. You add here name and you click on create list, and it's going to add to create with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.